Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In this episode, we delve into Cathie Wood's take on the intense investor search for safety, Google AI's cheesy solution for pizza lovers, and Medical Properties' massive $800 million financing deal. We'll also discuss Tesla's standout performance amidst the Magnificent Seven's bumper quarter, Boeing's rising employee concerns over product safety and quality, and GameStop cashing in big with a $900 million stock offering. Plus, we'll touch on CVS pharmacists' unionization efforts in their home state and Tesla cutting back Model Y production in China. Lastly, we'll uncover the U.S. probe into Alphabet's Waymo revealing more self-driving vehicle incidents. Stay tuned after this short ad break to learn more about these intriguing headlines. ARK Invest CEO, Cathie Wood, states that investors are currently seeking safety in the equity market, a situation that mirrors the Great Depression era. The S&P 500 has experienced a slide from its record high due to uncertainty surrounding rate cuts. In contrast, Nvidia's stock has seen an unprecedented rise, soaring past $1,000 for the first time ever. Wood proposes that a reduction in interest rates could potentially lead to a more stable market. However, it's worth noting that her leading ARK Innovation ETF has seen a decrease of approximately 15% in 2024.
Recently, Google's AI Overviews, a new feature launched in the United States, has been the subject of controversy due to some unusual recommendations it has made. For instance, it suggested using non-toxic glue as a solution for cheese not sticking to pizza. It also incorrectly stated that 8 former U.S. presidents were alumni of the University of Wisconsin-Madison. Despite these anomalies, Google asserts that such instances are uncommon and that most AI overviews deliver reliable and high-quality information.
Medical Properties Trust has successfully obtained a financing agreement worth $800 million, which is supported by its properties in the United Kingdom. The loan has been granted by a group spearheaded by European REIT Song Capital. The funds will be utilized to settle outstanding debts and for various other corporate objectives. This action follows the company surpassing its annual liquidity goal of $2 billion within a span of merely 5 months.
In the first quarter, the group known as the Magnificent Seven in technology largely outperformed earnings forecasts. Both Apple and Microsoft showcased robust results, even though there were a few underperforming sectors within Apple's portfolio. Amazon's revenue skyrocketed beyond projections, signaling a resurgence for its cloud computing service, AWS. Nvidia not only shattered expectations but also revealed plans for a stock split. Meta surpassed forecasts yet provided less optimistic guidance for the second quarter, which led to a decrease in share value. Alphabet exceeded predictions, with YouTube acting as a key growth driver. Tesla fell short of targets but suggested potential future expansion through self-driving vehicles and cost-effective models.
In the early part of 2024, Boeing experienced a significant increase in safety concerns voiced by its employees. This surge was to the tune of 500%, triggered by an incident involving a 737 MAX. In response to this, Boeing has outlined plans to form a review committee. This committee will include representatives from both the Federal Aviation Administration and the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers Union. Furthermore, Boeing is in the process of developing a corrective action plan aimed at addressing quality control issues. The company expects this plan to be ready within 1 week.
Shares of GameStop skyrocketed by 21% following the announcement that it has garnered $933.4 million via an equity offering. This move capitalized on the short squeeze from the previous week. The firm offloaded 45 million shares and intends to allocate these funds for corporate objectives. This sudden increase harks back to the 2021 uproar instigated by retail investor Keith Gill, who is popularly known on the internet as Roaring Kitty.
Employees at 2 CVS health pharmacies in Rhode Island have successfully unionized, making them the first to do so in the company's home state. They are now members of the Pharmacy Guild. This action mirrors that of CVS Omnicare Pharmacy in Las Vegas, which unionized last month. However, it's important to note that only approximately 700 out of the 30,000 U.S. pharmacy employees at CVS are currently part of a union.
Reports suggest that Tesla has cut down the production of its Model Y electric vehicle by more than 10% at its Shanghai facility since March. This reduction aligns with a surge in competition within China. However, despite this setback, Tesla's total output for the initial 4 months was merely 5% less compared to the same timeframe in 2023. The firm is expected to provide updates on Q2 deliveries as soon as July 1st.
The United States National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is currently conducting an investigation into Alphabet's Waymo autonomous vehicles. This comes in the wake of 9 additional incidents involving these self-driving cars, which include collisions and violations of traffic rules. The agency has demanded responses as well as video footage of the incidents from Waymo by the 11th of June. It should be noted that this investigation follows previous ones into General Motors Cruise and Amazon's Zoox self-driving vehicles. And that's a wrap for today's The Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay savvy, stay informed, until we meet again tomorrow. Remember, knowledge is your best investment. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.